In this video tutorial, we will show you how to set your ringtones and ring styles using the Palm Web OS. From your main screen, tap the launcher icon, and then tap Sounds and Ringtones. Here you can set your ringer switch settings, your rings and alert settings, your ringtone volume. To change your ringtone, tap the ringtone icon, and select a ringtone from the list by tapping it. If you wish to add music as a ringtone, tap the ringtone icon, tap the Add Music icon, and then tap the song you wish to add. After a few seconds, it will be added to your list. Tap that song to add it as a ringtone.